Good morning, guys. My name is Dan. I'm here with my beautiful wife, Roberta. Today we choose to show you how we spend our weekends. Most importantly, what we have for breakfast. What we have for breakfast every Sundays is, we call it egg royal. I'm sure most of you know about it. So we choose to make it at home because when we go to the restaurant or to the cafe, we spend about 12-13 pounds per plate. So this is how we make it. We have made it already almost, I will say, but I just wanna go through it. The idea just come to me now that we finally make it because there's a lot of people out there that really wanna know how to make egg royal. So we'll explain how we make ours. Is not to say that it's the best one, but yet we make it how we like it. What's the smile about? You gotta be honest, isn't it? But I assure you that it's amazingly tasty. What we gotta have, I would say, is muffins. Very important. Then you lay the smoked salmon on top of it. And then you have avocado. As you can see. I'm sure you can see, right? So over there on the avocado, you have to have, very importantly, the eggs, obviously. So how do we cook the eggs? You put the eggs in the boiling water, just like that. You put the eggs in the ramekin. You can put that in any type of jug that you want, small one, so they can stay together. You let the water boil. And you put a bit of vinegar inside. After the boiling water, once the boiling water, you got the boiling water, you put the eggs inside for 2 to 3 minutes. And this is the final results. You put the eggs on top of your smoked salmon, and then you have this amazing, I wanted to call it secret ingredient or whatever, but this is the Hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce, on dit?
Hollandaise sauce?
Hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise sauce. La sauce hollandaise. Hollandaise sauce. You put that on top of it. And this is the final result. Guys, it's amazing. It costs nothing and you will enjoy it. Thank you.